picked up some yarn because I'm doing a custom order, and she specifically wanted a yellow color, like this light yellow. I actually really like this. This is so, it's like a really cute yellow, and I like feel like it, if you're tan, it looks like really cute. Like right now I'm pretty tan, and it like pops really well. I like it a lot. And I got 2 of them because she wants some shorts and the matching top. So this is the yarn. I think it's really cute, and this is just what I'm going to be working on today, the top and the shorts. I do kind of want to get some coffee, so that's going to be my next stop, I think. Bit of a mess, but I have restarted the shorts now a total of 3 times, just because each time I start them I'm like, this looks super small, but like I'm just not satisfied with it. So anyways, I started for the 3rd time, and finally I think I'm gonna get somewhere. But I made sure I triple checked. I have like this like mini measuring tape, triple checked the sizing of the waist, because I just don't want it to be too small. I think that's something I'm like a little worried about. The color is still really pretty. It's really nice out today. I'm gonna eat lunch soon, take a little break, then just continue doing this basically all afternoon. Well, it's the next day, and I am on my 2nd ball of yarn now, but I have most of it done. I'm just making like some sewing attachments and stuff, but I have the shorts done. Again, this yellow is just so pretty still. Top, I really like it. I ended up switching to doing this kind of top, like, and I have a tutorial for this top on my channel, because it's my own pattern. Basically, I was like, hey, is it okay if I switch to making like this style of top? Just because it's easier, but also I love the way that it looks. She's like, yeah, no problem. But I'm making the chain right now so I can tie the back up, so that way like when you're putting it on, it like ties in the back. To make a really long chain, and then I have to make a smaller chain just in case she doesn't want to wear it as like a tube top. She can wear it like as like a little like halter, because it will go around the neck. Then I'm basically done. Okay, I finished the top. So this is what it looks like, and then the back ties up, and the matching bottoms. This is what we have. And I know she wants like a flower, and I have some like flower clips that I can use. Like I have this, shown was like that. I have this one, and that's all. That's really cute. Okay, I'm probably gonna give her this flower clip. Basically, I'm gonna send her some images of the set, see if she likes it, and then I think after that, then I can go ahead and ship it out. So that's really good. It's actually the next day, and I shipped it out yesterday, and I forgot to show me packing it and dropping it off at the post office, but I guess that's okay. I just kind of wanted to show the process of me making custom set. Yeah, I've been getting a lot of custom orders recently, and I like showing the process of that. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.
Hello.